Hello student, I am back with question number 18 of exercise 15.2. So in this question it has been said that a solid metallic cylinder of length 21 centimeter and diameter 40 centimeter is melted and made into a broader and shorter cylinder of double the diameter. Okay, find its new length. We have to ask find its new length. So let small h and small r be the height and radius of the solid metallic cylinder, given solid metallic cylinder. So length is given, which is equal to 21 centimeter, and small r means radius of the base of metallic cylinder. So its diameter is given 40 centimeters. So therefore radius would be equal to 14 by 2 centimeter equal to 7 centimeter. And the given solid metallic cylinder of length 21 centimeter and diameter 40 centimeter is melted to form a broader and shorter cylinder, double the diameter. Okay, so the broader and shorter cylinder is formed double of diameter. So the diameter of the given metallic cylinder is given 40. So therefore the cylinder formed by cylinder broader and shorter cylinder form double of the diameter. So double of diameter means 28. Okay, so 28 is the diameter of the new cylinder formed by the given cylinder, that is broader and shorter. So let capital R be the radius of the broader and shorter cylinder. So this would be equal to 48 divided by centimeter equal to 40 centimeter, and let h be the new length. Let this capital H be the new length of broader and shorter cylinder. Okay, so here this solid metallic cylinder is melted to form a new broader and shorter cylinder. So this means the volume, both the figure will be same. Okay, so this means volume of the both cylinder will be same. So therefore we have to write volume of solid metallic cylinder is equal to the volume of broader and shorter cylinder. Okay, so the volume of the solid metallic cylinder is equal to pi r square h, and this would be equal to pi r square h. So we can cancel pi from both the sides, and here capital H equal to r square into h 1 r square. Okay, then r square, small r square, h centimeter and height is 21 centimeter divided by capital R. This is 14 centimeter into 14 centimeter. Okay. Now simplify, so centimeter cancel out, and this is 7 to the 14, 7 to the 14. Remaining we are left 21 centimeter by 4. Okay. Now divide 21 by 4. So we will get 4 5 20 and 4 2 10, 5.25. Okay, 5.25 centimeter. This is the length of the new cylinder. Okay, means the cylinder for water and cider by the solid metallic cylinder of length 21 centimeter and diameter 14 centimeter. Okay, so this is the height of the new length of the cylinder. Okay. Okay, now move to the question number 19. This is last question of exercise 15.2. So in this question it has been said that a rectangular piece of paper width 30 centimeter and length 77 centimeter is rolled along its width to form a cylinder. Then we have to ask what is the volume of the cylinder so far. Okay. So we have to say a rectangular piece of paper whose width is 30 centimeter. This is 30 centimeter and length is 77 centimeter. Okay. A rectangular piece of paper of width 30 centimeter and length 77 centimeter rolled along its width. Okay. So we have to roll from its width to form a cylinder. Okay. So after rolling this, we have to form a cylinder. Okay, of a cylinder. So suppose this is a rectangular piece of paper and we have to roll from its width. Okay, and then the cylinder form the same length, means 77. So 77 become height. 77 become height of the cylinder, and this is rolled along the width. So here width become circle of the circular base of the cylinder. Okay, so this is become circle. So now here we can say this length means width here form a circle. So we know what is the length of circumference. What is the length of circumference of circle? That is, this is called circumference. So circumference equal to 2 pi r, and this circumference 2 pi r is equal to the width of the rectangular piece of paper. So this implies 2 pi r is equal to 30 centimeter, and here we can cancel 30 by 2, is equal to 15 centimeter, and this implies pi is 22 by 7 into r equal to 15 centimeter. This implies r equal to 15 into 7 by 22 centimeter. Okay. Now multiply 15 by 7, so we will get 105 by 22 centimeter, and r equal to again 105 divided by 22, so to get 4.77 centimeter. Okay, so here r is the